AI agents are not tools. They are not chatbots. They are not prompts with extra steps. And if you think they are, you are building on a foundation that will collapse the moment real complexity hits. Here is what no course will tell you. Most people learn AI agents by watching someone click through a no-code tool on YouTube. They see N8N, they see Make, they see some automation connecting GPT to a spreadsheet, and they walk away thinking they understand agents. They do not. Think about it like this. A tool takes an input and gives you an output. You type a prompt, you get a response. Every time. Same input, same output. Predictable, static, dead. An agent is different. An agent takes a goal and figures out how to achieve it. You do not tell it what steps to take. You tell it what you want. And it reasons, plans, executes, observes the result, and adjusts over and over until the goal is done or it fails. That is the fundamental difference most people miss. But here is why it matters. The reason most AI automations break within 2 weeks is because they were built as tools pretending to be agents. The moment something unexpected happens, a website changes, an API fails, a file is missing, the whole thing dies. A real agent handles that. It notices the problem, reasons about alternatives, and tries a different path. Stay with me here. Every agent has 4 core components: a model, memory, tools, and a loop. The model is the brain. It is the LLM doing the reasoning. Without a strong model, you have a weak agent. The model determines how well the agent plans, handles ambiguity, and knows when to stop. Memory is how the agent knows what it has already done. Without memory, every step is the first step. The agent forgets its own work. There are 3 types: in-context memory, which lives inside the prompt window; external memory, which lives in a vector database or file system; and procedural memory, baked into the system prompt as rules and constraints. Tools are how the agent interacts with the world: browsing the web, writing files, calling APIs, running code, sending emails. Without tools, an agent can only think. With tools, it can act. And the loop is what makes it an agent and not a chatbot. The agent runs a cycle: think, act, observe, repeat. Every iteration, it gets new information from the world. It updates its understanding. It decides what to do next. This loop is the soul of agentic behavior. But here is what no one teaches in the paid courses. The hardest part of building agents is not the technology. It is defining the goal correctly. Vague goals produce agents that wander. Specific goals with clear success conditions produce agents that execute. If you tell an agent, research my competitors it will spin forever. It does not know when to stop. It does not know what good looks like. But if you tell an agent, find the top 5 competitors in the enterprise HR space, extract their pricing page content, and save a comparison table as a CSV now it has a target, a finish line, an observable success condition. That is the lesson that separates engineers who build agents that work from people who spend 3 days debugging a loop that never ends. The technology is the easy part. The thinking is the hard part. Start with the goal. Define what done looks like. Build the minimum tool set. Pick the strongest model you can afford. And 4 components. 1 loop, 1 clear goal. That is AI agents, not the way a course explains it. The way someone who has actually built them explains it. If you want more of this, hit subscribe.